key foundations that can improve your potential to make money consistently. I'll show you a chart here. This is a nice long base. Coop, this is a leading stock. Coupa Software, this is a leading stock and a leading group. When this stock broke out, and this is one of our foundations, this stock has earnings up 320%, and here it is, sales up 49%. Before it broke out, it's in a top 20 groups. It was a clean and simple base. Entry right here. Folks, 179 to 222, we're still in this. That's a good return. This was a keyless stock. By the way, this isn't bragging, it's explaining foundations. Clean and simple base, a base that everybody can see. Entry right here. Look at the volume surge. That's what we're looking for. We get that. That's confirmation. I say this all the time. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. I want to go where they're voting, and they're voting right there. I'm going to show you another example right here. This is, again, past keyless stock, VIPs own it. Another one, team, nice long base. Look at this right here. This stock's last quarter's earnings up 48%. This is the quarter before we bought it. All right, 48% earnings, 37% revenue growth. The stock's got an earnings per share rank of 98 and a composite rating of 99, and it's in the top 20 groups when it broke out. Look at the volume surge when this pushed through right there. The previous day, the stock did 2.4 million shares. Right here on the breakout, stock did 3.26 million shares. That's huge, extremely strong relative strength. That's what we're looking for. I want to show you another one. NVIDIA, right here. NVDA. Some of you know this. This has been on the news just recently because they had earnings. But even before then, this stock had earnings up. First, it's in an A-plus rated group. This stock had earnings up 136% and sales up 41% before it broke out. Little pennant formation right here. Look at the liftoff right there. This is the daily chart. Take it down to hourly. Remember this spot right here. Taking out 321.50. Here's the hourly. Look at this thing lift off. Look at the volume coming into this right here. What were we doing right there? We were buying. We're buying, lifting off, and off to the races. It goes. These are the things that we look for. Take it to weekly, take it to daily, take it down to hourly and 30-minute. It works. It works. By the way, NVIDIA, when we bought it, earnings up 136%, sales up 41%, leading group. These are the foundations that we use in finding our stocks. Does it work every time? No, it doesn't. Here's an example. Tesla. This is why we manage it. This is a daily chart. We bought this in anticipation right here, small shares. If it takes out the tops of this bars, we buy more. Small shares. And it hasn't lifted yet. So what do? We sold off just half our shares for less than, what was it, a 10-point loss? Less than 10 points. We kept it very, very small. I can't stress that enough. Yeah, our entry, 8 points. Less than an 8-point loss on an $800 stock. You do the math. Less than 8 points. This still has the potential to take off. The point is this. Good entry leads to great gains. Good entry leads to great gains. Good entry can lead to great gains. We started small. If it starts to push through here, we will buy more. That's how you manage your stocks. Manage your portfolio for bigger gains. Last point. NVIDIA, as I said, right here. This is a good move. This is a really good move. 40 points. 40 points. Good entry. Look at the volume surge. What we look for. Bought it, still in it. Patterns repeat themselves. And you can say, Pat, why do patterns repeat themselves? I'll tell you why. Charts are a reflection of human emotions. Fear, greed, panic, complacency. Those emotions don't change in humans. They're the same as they were for thousands of years. We continue on with that. those emotions are reflected in the charts. Resting, complacency, buying, greed. Look at the volume. People want it. Study these. This is what we teach. You study this, and you don't need to be the master of many of them, but I will tell you this. You find a few that work and control them, master them, manage risk, and it's how we make money. It's how the VIPs make money. And the best part, we do it with low stress. We just let them work. I've had stocks, I don't even have them on my front page. I don't even look at them. I got a limit alert set, but I don't look at them. I look at them once a day. Just let them work for you. Anyway, this is what we do. This is what we teach. And it works.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.